What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Well, man, today we are out running errands again for, we're actually headed to Mitsubishi dealership. My daughter's car is actually, we're gonna be changing out the driver's side rear bearing hub assembly. So, I looked for it at other places around town, and the only place that had one in stock was the dealership itself. We actually went and ordered one from XL Auto Parts, which is an auto parts place here right around us, and we got it in and it was the wrong one. So evidently there's multiple options for the bearing hub assembly for this car. So I had to give the VIN number to the dealership for them to get the right one. They have it in stock. The one that we had ordered at first was only a little over $100 bucks. This one is almost $300, so it's pretty ridiculous. I remember back in the day, man, you just fucking pop out the bearings. If you had to change your bearings or repack them, just pop them out, put some grease in your hand, pack them hose up, put them right back in. Not anymore. Now it's a little, I mean, it's definitely easier. You just take out some bolts to be able to put the whole assembly. It's just one unit, bolt it up, unbolt the old one, bolt the new one up, and you're done, man. But back in the day, it was a lot cheaper for the motor cars where you could repack them bearings, and you don't have to worry about spending hundreds of dollars just to get your car right or your truck right, man. So anyway, that's where we're headed, man. And this dealership is actually, shit, it's about 40 minutes from me, which is kind of crazy. I figured there'd be a dealership a little bit closer, but there is not. So we're headed out that way, and on the way back, I might stop by the Crossroads Harley Davidson right there off of 290, because the dealership we're going to is off of 290. So I may stop there, man, and see if we cannot check out the 2019 lineup of Harley Davidsons. It may not be in this video, it may be another video, but I'm gonna try and stop if I got enough time. I've got to be back before 2, so and it is 11 something, but we'll see what happens. Another announcement, man, real quick. As y'all know, I also am a big part of the Jeep community. My wife owns a Jeep, and we do a lot of things with the Jeep community. Well, the Jeep Club that my wife and my cousin actually are founders of, Unum Jeep Club, are actually hosting, something hit the bottom of my damn foot, are actually hosting a meet and greet September 22nd, which is a Saturday, at Southern Star Brewing Company down in Conroe, Texas, man. But the cool thing about this, kinfolk, is not only is it going to be a Jeep meet and greet, but we're also going to combine the motorcycles, and so we're going to have a Jeep and motorcycle meet and greet. So, kinfolk, if any of y'all would love to come out and hang out with us, man, I would greatly appreciate it. I would love to meet some more of y'all and hang out with y'all. I don't think I'll be able to do a ride there because I have to show up early in order to help. Maybe afterwards. It is from 1 to 5, and maybe afterwards we might be able to do a little ride right around town there, but unfortunately I won't be able to do one on the way there because, like I said, I have to go and help set up and everything. So it's gonna be cool, man. We've had our first meet and greet here, I don't know, about a month ago at the Throwback Candy Shack, and I think that's what I think that's what I always have a hard time with that name, but so that was our first meet and greet, man. It was a pretty good turnout, but this time, like I said, we are going to have another one at Southern Star Brewing Company down in Conroe, Texas. from 1 to 5, and I believe they told me that my buddy Mike and Rebel are basically our event coordinators, and so they got with Southern Star, and I believe they were saying that we will be able to, they're going to hook us up with a $6 glass and 2 fills. So you pay $6, you get a Southern Star glass, and you get 2 fills with that. So that's amazing, man. Southern Star is really behind this whole deal, and I appreciate the response we got back from them. Thank y'all, Southern Star, for this. Mr. Ben, if you see this, or Mr. Keith, thank y'all so much, man, for being a part, letting us be able to host this there with y'all, man. So, I appreciate it. But like I said, so September 22nd, 1 to 5, Southern Star Brew Company, and Jeeps and motorcycle meet and greet. So anybody around, man, please come hang out with us. We're gonna have a good time. We'll have some music out there. The outside bar will be open, the inside bar will be open, the tap room, and it's gonna be a blast, man. I really hope y'all can make it out with the motorcycles, with the Jeeps. Even if you don't have a motorcycle or a Jeep, you're more than welcome to come. I think I went the wrong damn way. You're more than welcome to come, man, and hang out with us. You don't have to have a Jeep or a motorcycle to come and hang out, so please do. It would be awesome to meet y'all again, man. So lock that down in your calendars, kinfolk. I'm gonna make my wife is working on a flyer, and so hopefully when she gets done with that, I'll post it on my Instagram, which is @knucklestv. I'll make another video and post it here, showing the flyer and everything. So just keep an eye out, man. It's like I said, September 22nd. So please try to come out and hang out with us, man. It'd be great. All right, what else? I don't know, man. I think that's about it. I haven't been riding. If y'all watched my last video, I haven't been riding just because it's been too damn hot, and it's still hot. I mean, I'm sweating like crazy now, but I need to get out and get this done. So I had to come out today. I can't wait till it cools down, kinfolk. I am not a summer loving person. Don't get me wrong, I love the summertime. I just don't love how hot it gets here. But what can you do? So, besides move to Alaska, which I am not doing. But anyway, what else? Oh shit, it's a turn only lane. Kinfolk, man, it's gonna be this is a short one, so I appreciate y'all watching, man. And like I said, if I do end up stopping by that Harley dealership, it's probably gonna be another video, so I can look at all the bikes, get some good photos and video of the bikes, and then give you all my thoughts on them whenever I leave the dealership. So until next time, kinfolk, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, so every time I load a video, you will get notified and you won't miss out. And so thank y'all for watching. Until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.